Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to you all. Today in this video we'll be looking at pure and view function. Alright, so basically when we are trying to write a getter function can either be a view function or a pure function. Now what is a view function? A view function is a type of function that basically reads from the state but doesn't necessarily change the state. Right, so pretty much it means that it reads from the state variable available in the contract, but it doesn't update the value of the state variable. So a pure function in its essence doesn't read from the state or change the state of the blockchain, but basically it reads the value passed in as an argument into your function to do whatever thing you want to do. So take for instance, you're trying to write an addition function or a function that multiplies or a function that subtracts. So basically, a pure function can be used for calculation in its essence. So having said that, let's take a practical look at this. So we are going to be using this sample code. Basically, let's head over to Remix and create a new file. Let's call this. Let's create a new file. Let's call this pure view pure dot sol. Right, so we have our contract. The name of the contract is view and pure. Like we mentioned, a view function reads from the state and doesn't change the state, right? So now we have a state variable called b, which is set to 2, right? And our view function basically takes in an argument a, and because it's public, it can be accessed by any contract or account. And we have view, it returns a uint. And now what we are doing is basically performing a mathematical operation. We said a times the value of b times 42. So if you observe, what this is doing is it is basically reading the value of b to perform some mathematical operations, right? Pretty much it. We also have pure function. It takes in the value of a and b as arguments, and in this case it is not reading from the state like we previously said. It doesn't read from the state and it doesn't modify the state, and is meant to return the value of this mathematical operation. So let's deploy this contract and see how that works. Alright, so for b we have 2. In our view function, let's pass in the value of a to be 10. So our view function is returning 840, and in this case for pure function we have to basically pass in the values as an argument, right? 10, 20, and if we do the calculation it gives us 620. So this is the concept of pure and view function. It's always used when you're trying to write getter functions in your smart contract. I hope you did enjoy this video. That'll be all for now, and see you in the next video.